Hey guys, Colin here from Sportsman's Adventures Real Life. As you can see, today we are up in Delray Beach on Lake Ida. We just launched the kayaks. We're gonna try and catch some bass, peacock bass, and maybe even the elusive clown knife fish. That's the goal today, so stay tuned. It's gonna be an epic day, and we hope you enjoy. Nice one.
Super calm.
Definitely not a bad one to start the day. Woohoo!
Whoa, there goes my shiner.
It's a good one.
Not bad.
Not at all.
I barely even felt the hit. I knew it was added because my shiner was going crazy. Hooked him twice with one hook. It's that eagle claw. It does the job twice.
Finally, took a couple hours, get some weather through. Had to hide under a bridge. We'll keep on trekking. All right, guys, we're hooked up to a nice peacock here. Really nice peacock. Woo-wee! Stud peacock. Got the GoPro going, so we're good. Pretty colors on these fish. Yeah, this one's got all the bells and whistles. Got the orange, the red, and on the eyes, the blue tail. It's even got a little hump on his head. Beautiful fish. That's largemouth. There he is. That's a nice little show to you guys here. Off that eagle claw hook. There we go. Boom. Another healthy South Florida largemouth bass. All right, guys, so we were just kind of drifting down this canal. Got a peacock, but just before, nice largemouth, but we're still trying to find that clown knife fish. We just came across a shad school that was busting up on the surface in the middle. We saw couple of knife fish getting in on that, feeding. It looks like the school went down deep, so we're gonna hang out here a little bit, put some baits out there, and see if we can get hooked up to one of those knife fish. Bass. Big largemouth. Really nice largemouth. Let me try to bring him around for you. Really nice largemouth. He inhaled that shiner. That's a big largemouth, buddy. Woo! Don't you do it. Don't you toss that thing at me. Yeah, eagle claw. Size 1 octopus hook. Not in the corner this time. There we go. That fish was hungry, man. Look at the stomach on that hook. Oh my God, the hook just came out. Look at the stomach on that fish is not even there. He was hungry. Yeah. keep getting bigger. That's a good sign. It's definitely been work, but we're making it happen. Something big's on right now. Something big, and he wants to go to the bank. I don't know what it is, but look at that rod bend. Holy smokes, hasn't come up yet. Could it be? I'm not gonna put it out there. It's a big P. That one that you saw earlier, he caught up to us, man. It's a big peacock. I'm trying to make it easy on you. Here it is. Here, no. I gotta put the heat on him a little bit. Oh my God. Come here. Come here. Don't you go anywhere. Yeah! Oh! Oh! What? What a way to end the day there. Oh my God. There's our 4 or 5 pounder. Oh, you know, it wasn't even an aggressive hit. He didn't even know he was hooked. I was just towing a shiner, and then had my drag set really loose, so if something struck it, I was able to just take the time, let him eat it, and then took him a second to realize he was hooked, but then he started pulling for the bank. And there he is. Nice peacock bass. Woo! It's got my monkey glove. Here's another nice largemouth. I think he choked that. Still always nice to have one come out and play. So guys, we came out here to Lake Ida up in Delray Beach. Did what we wanted to do, caught some bass. Really worked hard at trying to catch a clown knifefish. Saw a bunch of them, just couldn't get them to bite today. So until next time, hopefully next time we come out here we'll get one, but thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe to the Captain Rick Murphy YouTube channel. See you next time. See you, buddy. Whoa.